Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use a trending meme format on TikTok to stay relevant, relatable, and maybe even go viral. And here's how to do it. First, open a TikTok and search a trending meme format or check your For You page for recurring meme styles. Then here, look for the templates that use the sample or the same audio editing style or format. Then tap the sound. Then tap Use this sound to start creating your own version. Keep your video short, add your own twist, and stay within the meme structure, and this keeps it recognizable. Add on screen text to match the punchline and use a meme relevant hashtag like funny TikTok, relatable, or meme format. Be fast, and most meme trends last a few days to a week, so jump in early. And that's how you use a trending meme format on TikTok like a pro. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.